The material of this door buckle is 6060 The surface treatment is black electrophoresis. The back nut strip is carbon steel galvanized. The nut strip is one-sided. It will be easier to install. It's much stronger. First tighten the two nuts. No need to unscrew it completely. Then the nut strip is inserted along the groove of the profile. Then lock again. After both nuts are locked, the door buckle is fixed. The advantage of this door buckle is that it is particularly strong and lightweight. The advantage of it compared to other door locks is that very easy to install. Profile without punching can be installed directly.